According to a report from the Italian National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, Mount Etna has again exhibited significant volcanic activity, with the main eruption center originating from the northeast crater. This latest eruption is considered one of the most powerful in recent times, both in terms of intensity and its impact on the surrounding environment. INGV explained that the northeast crater is the main source of volcanic eruptive material, including ash, incandescent lava, and large amounts of volcanic gas. The resulting ash column rises high into the atmosphere, creating a dramatic but dangerous spectacle. The widespread volcanic ash has the potential to disrupt aviation. This eruption was accompanied by a sharp increase in volcanic tremors, indicating intense magma movement within the volcano. INGV volcanologists noted that this activity pattern indicates strong magma pressure, which triggers repeated eruptions in a relatively short period of time. Hot lava flows were seen flowing down the mountainside, emitting a fiery red glow at night, adding to the eerie atmosphere of this natural phenomenon. Despite the intimidating appearance, INGV confirmed that Mount Etna's monitoring system is operating optimally. Various instruments, such as seismographs, ground-based rotating sensors, and visual monitoring, are continuously used to analyze volcanic activity. The collected data provides a crucial basis for authorities in making decisions regarding alert status and risk mitigation measures. For local residents, Mount Etna's eruptions are not entirely unusual. However, the intensity of the eruption in the northeast crater remains a cause for concern. Local governments and civil protection authorities have urged residents to remain vigilant, follow official guidelines, and limit activities in the danger zone. The use of masks is also recommended to reduce the health impacts of volcanic ash. Mount Etna once again reminds the world of the extraordinary and unpredictable power of nature. This latest eruption, as reported by INGV, demonstrates that volcanic activity is ongoing and subject to change. With careful scientific monitoring and public preparedness, anticipated risks can be minimized, although the sense of awe and horror of nature's majesty remains undeniable. Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano, has once again demonstrated its ferocity. The violent eruption occurred when the main crater spewed molten lava into the air, accompanied by the ejection of incandescent rock fragments and thick volcanic ash that rose high into the sky. A large column of ash spread widely and disrupted much of eastern Sicily, creating a frightening and awe-inspiring sight. From a distance, the sky was darkened by a relentless flow of gray-black ash. Loud explosions were heard repeatedly, signaling a sharp increase in explosive activity. Hot lava flowed rapidly down the mountainside, ending in a fiery red glow in the night sky, appearing like a slow but relentless river of fire. Ashfall was reported in various towns and villages around Etna. Roads, rooftops, vehicles, and farmland were covered in a thin to thick layer of ash. Residential activities were disrupted, while some residents chose to remain indoors to avoid exposure to the ash, which is dangerous for breathing. Masks and face coverings are essential equipment in this emergency situation. Authorities and volcano monitoring agencies continue to monitor the eruption. A state of alert has been declared, and several areas around the volcano have been restricted to prevent the risk of loss of life. Although Mount Etna is known for frequent eruptions, the intensity and scale of this eruption has been described as one of the most devastating in recent memory. Mount Etna has been a part of Sicily for thousands of years, both a source of life and a deadly threat. This latest eruption once again reminds the world of the power of nature beyond human control. Beneath its breathtaking beauty, Etna holds immense energy that could turn catastrophic at any moment.